everyone and welcome back to the other side. So it is Thursday and I'm pretty sure I might be uploading this the same day as I'm filming it, but I might upload it tomorrow, who knows, we'll see what I feel like doing. But it is Thursday and it is, what time is it? It is 5:27 in the evening, so pretty much like 5:30, and I literally just got home from a shift at the wildlife sanctuary that I volunteer at, and I'm literally like still in my work shirt and I've still like got my hair in like my hat hair because I wear a hat all day, so my hair is really messy, so I apologize. But yeah, I literally just got home, and as you can see by the title of this video, I got something delivered to me, something very exciting. So it is finally time for my second Harry Potter Wizarding World Loot Crate unboxing. So I was not expecting this today, and yes, I just hit myself in the face with it. But yeah, I was not expecting for this to come today. I was waiting and waiting for it to come, and I just like, I didn't know when it was going to come. Also, I don't know what that noise was just then. I think someone's doing like some construction work. It's all happening. But yeah, so I am super excited to open this. I have no idea what the theme is of this month, but there is a little sticker that it like tells you, well, it doesn't really tell you, but you can kind of guess with what the theme is. So I'm gonna try and see if I can cover up my address here. So this is a little sticker. And it is a little guy from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. It's one of the creatures from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. I'm pretty sure it's either that or it could be a mandrake, but I'm pretty sure it is the little leaf guy from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. So I'm guessing maybe that is the theme for this box. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm really excited. So is this the correct way to open it? This is a really big box and it feels quite heavy, so I have no idea what is inside this. I'm sorry about the noise of the drilling. Can't do anything about that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I opened it the wrong way. This way. No, still the wrong way. There we go. Alright, oh my goodness, there is so much in here. So yep, it is a Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them themed crate, which is very exciting. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Alright, first thing I see is warning, hide shiny objects before opening. Oh, hide shiny objects before opening. So if you've seen the movie, you'll know that there's a creature that likes shiny things. So I'm thinking that this is something shiny. Maybe not, or maybe it could be the little creature, who knows. Oh my god, I hate this noise. Oh my god, it is. It is it's a money box of that little guy. That is so cute. And it's so funny that it's a money box because he likes shiny things. So that is adorable. That is so cute. He kind of looks like a platypus crossed with I don't know what. But he's really cute and I really like him. He was one of my favorite creatures in the movie. But yeah, so, oh my god, I hate that noise. Alright, so the next thing is, what is this? Cookie cutters. Oh, that's cool. So the cookie cutters of the different beasts. Because in the movie, the guy who's the muggle, he wants to open a bakery. So I'm guessing this is a little like clue, like not clue, but like a little thing about that. So that's where this comes from. So there's a little guy that we just opened. This guy right here. It's been a while since I've seen this movie, so I don't remember all the creatures. And what is that one? I think that's the little leaf guy, but I don't remember what these two are. I think that might be the guy that that gets into Central Park, that scene. I think that's that one. If you've seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about, but it's the really big one. But yeah, I don't really remember those two, but yeah, like I said, it's been a while since I've seen the movie, so, but yeah, that's cool. Alright, what is next? Ooh, Harry Potter thing. Okay. It looks like jewelry. How do I open this? Yeah. Oh, is it our pin? It is our pin. And it is, oh, that's cool, the Godric Gryffindor enamel pin. That's cool. It's of when they have the Sword of Gryffindor, like in the Chamber of Secrets, the Sword of Gryffindor goes into the snake, into the giant snake. That's cool. That is a really cool pin. I really like that. Alright, and then next thing is, oh, that's so cute. It's a Rubius Hagrid Magical Creatures sticky notes. So it's a little Hagrid and he's in his hut and it's a sticky note, and then there's all these little tiny little sticky notes here. So there's oh my god, I'm such a bad Fang. I was going to say Fluffy, but I was like, no, Fluffy is the three-headed dog. So there's Fang, and then there is Hedwig, and then there is the, oh my god, what are they called? Minstrels? Are they minstrels, I think? Those little creatures that only people can, like, only people who have seen death can see them. I think they're called minstrels. Oh my god, I'm such a bad Harry Potter fan. And then, of course, Buckbeak at the end there. So, I think that is everything. I think so. Yeah, that's everything. Oh my god, can we, like, make this, I think we can make this box into, like, the suitcase that the guy has in the movie. I'm so bad. I need to see this movie again because I've forgotten. Oh, what's this? Where was our shirt? There was supposed to be a shirt and we didn't get a shirt. What? There was supposed to be a shirt and we didn't get a shirt, but that's alright. That's weird. They forgot my shirt. Okay, it says, to our brave Gryffindors, clever Ravenclaws, cunning Slytherins, and loyal Hufflepuffs. We truly hope that you enjoy your magical creatures items. However, there is one more item missing from this crate. That will be on its way to you soon. That's the t-shirt. There was an unexpected manufacturing delay with the t-shirts, but rest assured that we are working diligently to resolve the issue. We will, of course, contact you as soon as we know when they will be shipping out to you. That is good. So, I was, like, getting worried. I was like, there's no t-shirt, so, yeah, that's good. That's good that they let us know what is going on. Okay, so, that is everything apart from the t-shirt, and I'll show you the t-shirt, on the thing here. So, there's the t-shirt. It's just got, oh, you can't really see it because of the ring light, but it's just got a bunch of the magical creatures on it. So yeah, and it looks really cool. But anyway, so that is everything in the box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It's a lot better than my last one, which was on my laptop. At least I'm using my camera this time. So I'm going to go, and again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all next week with another video. Alright, bye guys.